Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Don't mind my messy stove. I just made dinner, and while we were having dinner, the Elon Musk, well, he didn't actually do it. He had released the tweets from the 2020 situation, the Biden Hunter laptop situation. All those tweets were released and what went on at Twitter. So this isn't to be political or anything like that and tell anybody what to do or anything. I'm just here to let you know that that happened. But there's also a case in the Supreme Court that after I had seen all of these tweets, I feel can play a part in what could potentially happen in January with this Supreme Court case that pretty much nobody knows about. So I'm going to put links down below where you can see what was released today from the lawyer that Elon Musk gave all this information to from Twitter. And then I'm going to post a link to another channel that explains this lawsuit that's going to the Supreme Court and is on the docket for January. I think the two will play hand in hand. I could be wrong. I'm not a lawyer. But it doesn't look good for a lot of politicians or the president or the vice president. So I will post those links down below. This is just to inform you of what is going on, not to state any views. Let me know down below if you watch this and tell me what you all think about all of this. And yeah, some pretty serious stuff coming up. So I just wanted to let you guys know that. I will post those links down below. I hope you all are doing well. You stay safe, you stay healthy, and you stay informed.